Hi guys, this is a video about the Aries front disc guard for KTMs, Husqvarnas, and gas. I'm not positive what years we have these for, but that information is on our website. And this is a new product they just came out with. So it's got an aluminum bracket here for fitting it onto the forks. So that part's aluminum. And then this part is UHMW, which is ultra high molecular density material. And if you're not familiar with this, actually you are probably, because rear disc guards like the ones that TM Design makes and Bulletproof Design or BRP makes are all made out of this material. It's extremely tough. You can't hurt it. You could bash this thing into rocks all day long and not ever hurt it. It's never going to blow up. It's never going to bend. And then on top of that, it's got a little skid plate on the bottom here, which is a pretty cool little function. I always damage this part of my forks right here. I mean, just by going through rock gardens and stuff, I tend to get that pretty scarred up. But it's really easy to install. Also, one of the features, you can see the hole here. That hole, make sure you can, yep. So this hole is so you can get to your fork adjuster up underneath here on some models. And they didn't cover that to give it a better skid, but if you want that, he said, just drill it out, and then you can do it. But anyhow, this is not really an install video, it's just a product video because it's super easy to install. It's 2 bolts. You remove the axle nut here, you remove one of the brake caliper bolts, you stick it on, it comes with a longer bolt, put that in there. Put this back on, tighten everything up, and bam, it's done. It's that easy. So I think it's a great product, guys. Don't quote me on this. I think it's $140. It will definitely give you excellent disc protection and also protect your lower fork as well, which this area is called the dropout area. And I think that's about all there is to it, guys. So hopefully I'll see you out on the trail one of these days. I'm riding a lot. Been meeting a lot more guys out on the trail in different parts of Colorado when they're out here for the summertime. But if you would, please like us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to us on YouTube. All those things are definitely help us out, and we help you out. So I appreciate if you'd scratch our back a little too. Throw us a bone once in a while. Give us a shout out on social media if you can. Definitely get out for some throttle therapy. That's all for now.